Welcome to Lake Washington Institute of Technology. My name is David Rector, and I'm the Dean of International Programs and Global Education here at the college. I wanted to start out by telling you a little bit about why students enjoy Lake Washington Institute of Technology, international students in particular. One is a combination of the hands-on classes combined with the traditional textbook learning. The students, I've had a lot of international students tell us that when they go out and look for practical training opportunities or internships when they're done, or go on to their bachelor's degrees at other institutions, that they often get comments by their employers or the new institution of how much they know and how much more advanced they are in some areas than some of their counterparts that have started as freshmen at the university, and it's because of that hands-on training. So in the International Programs Office, we provide from the time you apply to the college to the time you graduate and actually go on for your practical training. You'll be meeting with everybody in the office and talking to us. We provide very hands-on service, so we will work with you along the way as you apply, and you'll get to see myself and some of the other staff as you go through, all the way through the program when you're applying for jobs outside, and us sometimes writing letters of recommendation and so forth for you as you go through. If you apply here, we do not require the TOEFL. So if you have a TOEFL, you can go directly, and it's high enough, or IELTS score, one of the language proficiencies, you can go directly into an academic program. But if you don't have to worry about that. You can come in and start with our intensive English program and take the placement test and then work your way through. Another option that's very popular with a number of students is our high school completion, or it's a dual degree program. So if you're 16 years old and you've completed the equivalent of 10th grade in your country, then you can apply to come here, and you would be taking college courses towards your associate degree, which will also apply towards your high school diploma, so that when you finish your associate degree, you would be able to complete both the associate and a high school diploma at the same time. One of the various activities we have here, in addition to the clubs, is, and that we're very proud of, is Talk Time. And this is an opportunity for international students and domestic students to come together, and international students to practice their English. It's usually one day a week at the lunch hour at noon, and then the students get together in small groups around tables, and there's a topic of conversation each week. And we have students from all over the world that come to the campus, students from over 30 different countries, the most populous probably being about China, and most from South Asia, so China, Korea, Taiwan, and then other countries such as Brazil and Kyrgyzstan and Russia are growing as well. So there's a wide representation. You will not be the only student probably from your country. However, you won't be overrun with all kinds of students from your country, so you'll have plenty of opportunity to practice your English skills.